So today I'm showing how to do a backflip on a trampoline and landing on my legs. Of course it's raining, guys, so let's go quickly do it. Okay. See, guys?
Yeah.
So